How to pee on mommy?
You learned how to pee on mommy. How do you do that? Was it hard to learn? Did you see Grammy? Or did you see Nana
Nona
and Nona
and Grandpa?
and Epaw? Grandpa? Did you see them all? All in the day?